This one's called Rain. Would you wash over me and heal my pain? All the doubt I keep making is in my head. There's a way that keeps me from running to you. Please, rain, wash my pain. Oh, it's so easy to stop, but to keep it going, you have to work hard. Out in my head, I am scared I might not make it through. Rain, come down shocking thoughts. How can I make them stop and let my heart sing too? What do you really want? Not what you think they need, and that's okay for you to do. In my head, I have said it's time for you to let loose. Goodbye, rain. I need you there. Oh no, oh no. Thank you.